Pakistani Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif said on Friday that the newly imported train coaches from China will help Pakistan Railways to attract passengers and increase revenue. Speaking at the inaugural ceremony of the formal induction of the China imported coaches in railways, Sharif said that the Chinese company has provided coaches to Pakistan with new features including Wi-Fi and modern chairs. The coaches will run as Green Line Express train from the capital city of Islamabad to the country's southern port city of Karachi, passing through major cities across Punjab and Sindh provinces. Friday's inaugurated train consisted of 9 coaches, including 6 new coaches imported from China Railway Rolling Stock Corporation Tangshan Company in late 2022, and 3 recently refurbished units that were imported from China in 2015. According to Pakistan's Federal Minister for Railways Khawaja Saad Rafiq, from the contract to acquire 230 coaches from China, Pakistan has received 46 coaches, and the remaining will be manufactured in Pakistan under a technology transfer agreement.